Good morning, it's Wednesday, hump day again. Keeping up my fluids, always good advice. Oh. Felt like I slept slightly better last night, and once again I know I dreamed. I know I did. It's sort of like right on the edge. It's sort of like if I reach for what I dreamed about, I forget it. But sort of like if I don't reach for it, it's almost sort of like just on the edge of remembering as to what happened, which is really annoying. Yeah, my alarm went off this morning, and I was so out of it as I didn't even know what was going on to begin with. And I realised and dragged my ass out of bed. Anyway, time for breakfast and getting ready and all that. See you later. Hello again. No, it's not suddenly summer. It's still the morning. I'm just stuck in traffic. From what I've heard on the grapevine, or through the grapevine, is there's an accident somewhere which has closed a road. Unfortunately, in the countryside, there's very few other routes, which means then all the traffic that's supposed to go that road is probably coming this road, and just sheer weight of traffic means that we can't move because, yeah, I do have a few traffic lights, and I haven't got to that piddly roundabout. It normally takes me about 10 minutes to get to from work of an evening, which if there's just sheer weight of traffic coming from every other direction, because they can't use that route, will mean that you're barely moving. If one side starts to dominate, then that's it. It's very hard to break that dominance, because it's just so small. There's just not the space to sort of slip out. I'm getting far too close to this lorry. I set off for work now about 45 minutes ago, and I'm probably about 2-3 miles maximum from work now. But as I've probably covered the last 2 or 3 miles, it's taken me half an hour to cover the last mile or two. I don't see myself getting into work before 9. I'm supposed to have started about 5 minutes ago. My contract officially started 5 minutes ago. Oh, and I had to de-ice my windscreen, and I stepped in either cat or dog poo, and now it's all over my front mat. It stinks. I've been stuck in here for half an hour with this stink because it's so cold outside. I can't have the windows open. So yeah. Okay, today can only go upwards, theoretically speaking, at least. I'll speak to you again this evening. Bye. I'm home. I've managed to get a car for me mini road trip tomorrow, so all's good. I've had to throw out my shoes covered in dog muck. Dog muck. Which character from Hot Fuzz said that? No, it's one. I can't remember which. Don't do me head in. It's just been all day as I can hear it. Dog muck. Dog Dog Muck. Dog Muck. Alright, I think that's officially the last marble. It's gone. Bon voyage. Toodaloo. Auf Wiedersehen. Au revoir. Etc. 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 Right. I need to get changed. And I'm away. So, good night. And all those parting comments to you too. You'll be missed almost as fondly as that last marble. Or maybe not. There's something comforting about being completely crazy. You don't have to worry about nothing. You don't care about nothing because... So I miss you more than the marble.